enjoy meat? Give your dogs what they desire. Great taste and nutrition from a diet rich in animal proteins, not soy or grains. Protein-rich diets provide the nutrients for a lean, healthy body and the energy to chase. Like the diets of their wolf ancestors, Crave recipes are always crafted with real meat as the first ingredient, high protein levels inspired by a dog's natural diet, and no corn, wheat, soy, or chicken byproduct meal. We also have delicious wet dog foods available in trays, cans, and multi-packs. Serve them as a meal or mix them with Crave dry dog food for the flavor and variety your dog enjoys. Feed your dog grain-free nutrition and the taste they desire. Crave, satisfy their nature.
Dogs used to hunt to satisfy their cravings. Now, the hunt is over. Peak from Rachael Nutrish with 30% protein and 0% grains. Real beef, chicken, or turkey is the #1 ingredient combined with other nutrient-dense proteins. Satisfy your dog's cravings with protein-rich Peak, one of the specialty recipes from Nutrish. Real recipes, real ingredients, real good.
You are amazing.
Me?
Yes, you. You're a just the right spot scratcher, a leash unleasher, a thunder therapist. And from day one, you've been your dog's hero. That's why you choose Rachael Nutrish, offering recipes with real meat as the #1 ingredient and options with 0 grains or fillers. That's amazing. Nutrish, real recipes, real ingredients, real good.
Our pets fill us with their very best. But what are we filling them with? At Instinct, we believe that what we really put in our pet's bowl is our love. And when we fill them with the pure, uncompromising nutrition of raw food, we have the power to help them really, truly thrive. We believe love is raw. Instinct, the raw brand.